How to add more virtual memory on your Moto G phone with Android 16. To find this feature, go ahead into the quick settings like this and tap on the settings toggle right here. Now once you're here, you can always use the search option and just type in the words RAM and then boost, okay? And then you'll see the option shows up for you right here. And when you tap on it, it'll take you straight as to where you need to go. Now at default, this is going to be turned on, and if it's not, just go ahead and turn it on. It will give you an additional extra RAM boost of 4 gigs at default, but if you wanted more, just go down a little bit and you can also see the 8, or if you want to use up less, use 2. All right, and of course this is going to use the base default storage of your phone, so it's using storage from your phone itself to act as virtual memory. And it's also going to tell you down here that you need to have enough memory or storage space on your phone for this to work. Now, once you make any changes, you will most likely need to restart your phone. So go ahead and restart it, and then it'll save to that last change feature. And of course, if you don't like this feature, you can turn it off. And again, you'll need to restart it. But once you restart it, it is no longer in use, and you can always come back and turn it on, like in sub.